Hey guys, we all know how important product reviews are for the success of your Amazon listings. And automated email campaigns are one of the most powerful ways to promote this and many other benefits. We believe there are 3 specific emails that every Amazon seller should send to their customers in order to build rapport and to maximize their chances of receiving product reviews. Email number 1, the confirmation email. We like to send emails right after an order is placed and confirmed for delivery. This is generally 2 days before they receive the product, so it's a great way to build anticipation for the product. The goal here is to build rapport and establish customer support. We're not asking for anything with this email, but just want to introduce ourselves, reinforce why it was a great purchase, and open up lines for communication. As with all these emails, the timing is very critical. So here's the timing we'd set. Send the message ASAP after order has been delivered. And here's the letter itself. The main points are, thanks again for your order, see the order details, here's the tracking number, and the important part, let us know if you have any issues or questions and we'll get onto that straight away. So we're making it really easy for them to contact us about any issues they have. This is also a great way to reduce any negative feedback or reviews, as we've asked them to contact us first. The great thing about automated emails as well is that you can use these autofill tags, so it will populate the buyer's name and make it feel like a really personal email, which customers will appreciate. These autofill tags will also populate things like the product name, their order number with a link to their order on Amazon, a contact link, and much more. Email number 2, 2 days after delivery. We like to send customers an email 2 days after the product has been delivered. This is when they're still excited about the purchase and they've just had their first impressions of the product. The goal here is to ideally get seller feedback or a product review. Again, it's just touching base with the customer and letting them know we're here if they need anything. We then also ask if they'd mind leaving us feedback or a review. Because we've sent them the first email and offered great support, it gives us more permission to ask them now for a review in return. The way you ask is important here too. Note that we didn't demand a review, but in a very friendly way asked them, but only if they were happy. This will definitely come across much better. Email number 3, 7 days after delivery. Now, a week after having the product, the customer has presumably experienced the full scope of the product. This email is a great way to bring the purchase cycle full circle, provide customer support, reinforce the value of the product and our brand in particular, and generate a product review. The goal here is that if we haven't received a product review yet, to ask for it one last time, and unless they reach out to you or purchase again, this is